Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 71, stage 71 of building the Ecto-1. We're going back in time to the first issue. I think when we had the hood, the bonnet is just here. We are going to be fitting that liner to it in a moment, but not yet. First of all, we've got to do this whole hinge assembly thing, which is quite complicated. So I may have to stop and revise and come back and do it in stages. So let's have a look. First of all, we're going to be putting these bits together using BM screws. Not that's a spring. That's QM. I'll be using that in a little while. BM, there we go. I think I need 3 of these initially. So let's have a look and see. Certainly need 2 for this bit, and then another one, I think, in just a moment. I've looked ahead a little bit because this is a bit complex. So this goes onto the side of that. These have got little ratchety things that I think engage with each other, but I could be completely wrong. Where's my screw? I've just had it. Here it is. So let's get that through there, and then that will go onto that end. I'm going to have endless trouble with this. I know it. I just knew it. As soon as I saw the packet with all the bits in it, I thought, yeah, this is going to be great fun. Black against black with black screws. It's going to be so tricky for me at the moment. Yeah, right. So I'll get this assembled. There's that's going to go there with a screw through it. That's going to go on the other end with a screw through it. Then that bit's going to go over on the end of that with a screw through it. Then there's other bits that attach to other things. So I'll get this bit assembled and see how it goes, and we'll show you when it goes together. Right, some finagling and manipulation. Eventually got that where it should be. I think it works. It was a minute ago. There you go. Yeah. So the 2 gears intermesh and go together. So this has got to be held together with a spring, which goes over that hook there and bit there somehow. Oh, there's another little hook bit on there. So that hooks over one end of that. Now, bit like that. And then the other end has got a hook over that bit there. Yeah, I'm going to need again a pair of probably pliers are going to be easier than tweezers for this because it's quite strong. And to get that end over there while that end's over there, which way round does the spring need to be? Yep, the way I had it. Oh yeah, I shall get that reconnected, or connected should I say, in a moment behind the scenes, so we'll see how that works. Then I need to get all of these screws in. We've got SM screws, of which there are several. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 screws to hold this in place across there. So again, I won't bore you with doing that on camera. I'll get that done, and then we'll do the more interesting little bits. Right, that's all of those in, holding that secure. That's that together with the spring on there. Now, this is very, very tight. It's only just sort of flexing a little bit. I'm hoping that when it's in place, wherever it's going to go on one of these sides, that will give me a bit more flexibility and tension. I might have to add some lubrication to that. I don't want to loosen any screws because there's quite a lot holding it together. I think it will ease in. We've got these bits to fix onto here. That on there with 3 screws, and then the 4th screw hole holds that in place with a slightly longer screw. Then I need to figure out where I've left the rim from that, get that attached, and get that attached. So I shall see you in just a sec. Right, that's the front grill piece attached. All of that in there as it should be. This I have not attached yet because somehow I built it wrong. I've got this first piece upside down. It basically just doesn't fit because it's all got lumpy bits in the wrong places. So I'm going to have to disassemble this and put it the right way around. That might be why it's very, very tight. It might not be. I shall get that done and see how it goes on there in just a moment. Yes, so that's that back the other way around. Luckily, I didn't have to disassemble all of it, but it's gone together now, and the spring is working much better even before it was attached to that. So I'm fairly confident that that is going to be okay. It doesn't seem to go flush, but I'm sure that's where it needs to be. And obviously, when it opens, it should hold itself open. So that is that. I'm grateful that if I make a mistake on that, at least it can be a learning experience, because I know I'm going to have to do exactly the same thing over there. So hopefully that one will go much, much smoother. But for now, that's that. We've come back full circle, back to where we started, and we're going to be starting to get things together. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon for more very, very soon. Bye-bye for now.